Hi, a warm welcome from Fantastic Houses Limited. In this video, we will show you how to use the Deal Analyzer tool for buy-to-let strategy. There are other videos that go through different strategies and the corresponding analysis tool in detail. If you would like to receive notifications about more videos, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. You can use any property websites for finding the deals. In this example, we are using the website zoopla.co.uk. Enter your search criteria on the website. We are entering Leeds city centre here. Select the maximum property price as 70,000 for example. Property type is chosen as houses. And the minimum number of bedrooms selected is 2. Let's run the search to see what results we get. Let's see what we get. Okay, we got these results shown here. Out of these listings, let's select this property for more detailed analysis. It's a 2-bedroom terrace house. Let's check the photos. The property condition looks decent from the pictures. Now let's see the location of the property. It seems to be fairly near the city centre. That's not too bad. Okay, what else have they mentioned? They have given that the current rental is £480. Excellent, let's see how we can use this information to understand what kind of returns we can expect on our investments. Let's enable the tool by selecting Yes for acceptance of terms to start with. Now, we can start adding all the details in the tool. So, the property price is 65,000. Let's enter that value here. The deposit will be automatically calculated. This is using the assumption that you put in 25% deposit. Although, you can change the percentage here if you want. The stamp duty will be automatically calculated based on the price here. Let's assume that the cost for solicitor and the searches is £1,000. That is entered here in this cell. If you pay for valuation or survey, enter that cost here. In this example, we have assumed that the cost is £500. Because we have found this property on a website, the sourcing fees is 0. Let's enter that here. Assume that the lender product fees is £500, and we do not have any broker fees. So, enter £500 here. The property looks in reasonable condition. So, we don't need any project manager for renovation. Therefore, enter 0 for project management, and 0 for renovation cost. Considering there are miscellaneous cost of £500, add that in this field here. The current rental income provided is £480. Let's specify that over here. The loan amount is automatically calculated here. This is based on the property purchase price and the deposit we are paying. The monthly mortgage cost is calculated using the interest rate specified here. You can change the cost depending upon the quote you receive from the bank. The insurance cost is calculated using annual insurance estimate provided here. You can, of course, change the cost depending upon your requirements. We have made provision of 10% each for estate agent fees, maintenance costs and void period. You can change these based on your own estimates for the property. The monthly amounts for the estate agent fees, maintenance cost, and void period allocation are calculated automatically based on the percentage we have provided. This is excellent, we have got most of the information entered. The monthly net rental, after our costs, is shown here. In this example, it's £230 per month. Therefore, the annual net income after costs is just over £2,750. Our total investment for this property is shown here. It's £20,700 in our example. The net return on investment here is 13.3%. This is brilliant. We have found out the ROI for a property by simply providing some details in the tool. You can provide more information further down in the sheet. Specify the things like the property details here in these fields. Some rental estimates can be specified here in these fields. Provide the estimates about the market value of the property here. This field will indicate whether you are getting the property below market value. This is based on the purchase price and the actual market value of the property. You can also specify information about nearby sales here. All this information can be used for your reference while negotiating the deal. This was a simple example of using the tool. Once you get used to the tool, we are sure you will find it very useful. We will cover more examples of deal analysis in other videos. Hope you found this video useful. Please hit the thumbs up and share this video, it would be appreciated. Also, remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notifications about more property deal analysis videos. Many thanks for watching the video. Have a good day.